mai eu tu I he maoni I he ale tale Kuo kavea si e kuloto I he kakala pakavale Taumaya keu kahoa Ai ki ha o fanga Kena feao I tane kinanga
We're going to all walk together, sit down on the floor on the stage. Listening? Sit down on the floor on the stage. Sonia is going to do our tali tali. You guys are going to do our opening prayer. Eh? Yes?
Malolele. Amo e tau rau o korepeki o whakapiki e tō mafu o tau I tau o tama. Tapu ki e whanau o makapuna o e. Tapu I hataki loto. Tapu e ki e ngā I whakafofonga o ngā I kau ngāo mi he kolopu e oranga o kūna mi he tau me whoki a whatama ke I ngāhi mātua tau whanau.
Ke tau lotu. Eiki o tua, mau whakamalo aku, ho o tauhi I mau tolu, I he ahoni. O tu mau kole aku, ho o tokoni, koe uhi, koe ngaue, o ku amanaki, ke mau whai. Hifo mai, ho o lau matie, o tataki, e mau ngaue. E langi langi ia ai awhiona. O ku mau kole eni, Huafa ho alo ho Jesu Cristo. Amen.
Malo. Malo mau whainga maali ko I ke hu whanga ngai whakatapu ko osi au whakiat me muani kai ata keu. Kawai he ki tala no ko ni whekau aki mo puke puke o tonga. So ko puke puke o tonga ko it was a vision that was started by our grandfather, and heaps of it was just around holding on to our Tongan culture here in Aotearoa. And it's a 10-week program that we facilitate each term, and we've been so privileged to have community want to bring the children because there's a need for it in our communities, especially because it's not being taught in our schools. And language is something that's really important with our children, identifying being Tongan here in Aotearoa. And it's simple basic things like learning our prayers in Tongan, speaking in Tongan, and also the songs that our grandfather and our parents and aunties and uncles taught us. So it's just a little something that we share with our community and with the children here, and nothing would have been made possible without the support of the parents who have brought their children to be a part of these programs. Let's give our parents a clap. Yes, let's give our parents a clap. Because we know what it's like as parents, how busy we are, you know, after work trying to get our children to these programs, and we facilitate them once a week, and that's only on the Friday. But these amazing children here, they learn that this term we taught the aurunga and the mako, and honestly, they're amazing. They learned the songs, how to speak it, the language, and also just to be able to stand in front of you guys to perform as well is a massive thing. So let's give our kids a hand, and I can't wait for them to show that to them. I love people.
Si oto o fatue lo fatai kumiha o kakala keke o fai koe o fani he ikai toe he liani fai vatangi no ani ikai o
si o takolosi Kaha makatafu tau rewa ki he koni E uku mai mama mai hapa hapa kia E peke wa whino fisi e ta ofa E pelula kausia ki taulanga E itulu se sia ale tale oi ofa Te uluwa hoku kotoa maau koe fe ofa akingi Koe mate he ofa tu Mate ofa tu Teo tupu i he maoni I he ale tale Ua kawea si e kuloto I he kakala pakavale Tau maia Keu kahoa Ai ki ha o whanga Ke te whi ao Ki tāne ki nanga
Tau lotu. Ei o mau whakamalo aku I ho kau mai Moki mau tolu He whiawhini Mau kole atu Ke ave hao Ki mau tolu Ki ho mau Taki taha api Mau kole